I'm solving the rational equation on number 8, and my first step is to find the cross products. So I want to cross multiply, and this will be 4x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 12. And now I want to solve. So I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides, and then subtract 8. So negative 2x is equal to 4, and then divide both sides by negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. Now, before I circle this as my answer, I need to plug it back into the denominators to make sure that it doesn't equal 0. And if you plug in the negative 2, negative 2 plus 2 is 0 in both of these denominators. So this is not a solution, which means we have no solution.